Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's topic is about action class in Selenium WebDriver. So today we are going to know about how to handle mouse click and keyboard events using Selenium WebDriver in Java. So first of all guys, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share as much as you can. Thank you. So what is action class guys? So action class is basically a class provided by Selenium to handle keyboard and mouse events. So sometime like we have events in Amazon.com site like to hover a mouse or to click here and type something like hello to search that. Okay, so how to handle these kind of things, how to handle these events, how to click with the mouse on this or how to just hover on this, okay, and how to type with a keyboard something. We are going to learn all about this in today's video, so just stay tuned. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, first of all please subscribe the video and hit the bell icon so that you will be able to get all the notifications. Thank you. So let's just start. First of all, let us create a class other. So Java class we are going to create actions class. So action class event is the name of our program. Okay, so let me just copy this. So okay, I guess the path have changed yet. Yes, so let me just copy this and paste it here. So now we have to load Amazon website first. Okay, a home page of Amazon. Just copy that and paste it here. Okay, okay, so till now we have reached here in the code. Okay, so now we have to hover our mouse here. Okay, so for that we have to create object of action class equal to actions. So guys, I hope so you have gone through about classes and objects. Okay, add keyboard argument to match action, so we have to put the argument which is driver. Okay, first of all just check what we have. We have span here. What about the div container? Let me check again. We have a ID nav link account list. Okay, let me check with this ID. Okay, a dot. So we are going to use moveToElement method here. Okay, so just a dot moveToElement and then just target. So in target we need to provide drive. Okay, first of all let me just get that element, web element mouse over sample dot id. We have a id name here. Okay, move to element and paste the subject here, dot build. So okay, for after getting the element, we have to build that, and after that perform the operation on that. Okay, so simply use build method to build that, and after that perform method to perform an operation on that. Okay, that's it. First of all, I'm going to print just hover of a mouse. Let's just try and check what will happen. So let me print this in console, mouse over successful. So let's just run this and check what will happen. So guys, I have mentioned this earlier as well, practice a lot. So these things need practice. If you are not going to practice, you will going to forget for sure. That's why practice is really important when it comes to programming, when it comes to automation. That's it guys. It hovered here and it opened this for us. Okay, so let me cancel this and we'll check what else we can perform. Okay, so we can perform some keyboard operations as well, like we can click here. Okay, so before typing something here, if I will reload that amazon.com, we can't start typing. Okay, we have to first click here, and after that we can type something. Okay, so let me just inspect this. We have id for this as well. Two tab search text box. Okay guys, it is quite easy, nothing is difficult, but again it needs a practice, a lot of practice again. So let's just create another element. So I used to create elements that will going to make this easier for you. So try this to remove the confusion. Okay, keyboard let's say keyboard example is equal to driver dot find elements by, we have id for this as well, and the id is this. Okay, so just a dot. So first of all we have to click there. Okay, so just use this keyword dot example to click there. After that we will use a dot keyword example dot. So first of all, okay, so first of all we need to move there, a dot move to element. First of all move there, or we can click there as well. So I am just using the click first. Okay, click there, move there, the target is example. Now dot, to type something, send keys, we have used that earlier as well. So let's just say hello dot build dot perform, and let's just try this now. Keyboard click successful. First of all, it hover the mouse, and after that it will click there and type something. Okay, hover the mouse, click there and type something. That's it, guys. Okay guys, so what if now you wanna type hello in capital letters over there? So you just need to type hello capital in here in send keys, and everything will going to be taken care by action class. So let me show you this. If you will type hello in capital here and just run it as usual, it will going to print hello in capital there as well. So yes, here it is. So you don't need, guys, to use the shift key or anything else out here. You just need to type hello or whatever you want to search in capital letter, and after that everything will be taken care by action class, and after that you can hit enter button, and after that you can perform multiple operations to complete this script. Okay guys, yes. So let me just change this back to hello, the small with the running letters. So yes guys, so apart from this, let me just run this again to you and show that we have achieved successfully. Yes, so apart from this, guys, you have performed multiple operations using mouse and keyboard events. You can just explore this. Just I will let you know how to explore this. Yes, like this and this. So you can explore this by just clicking a dot. So there are a lot and a lot of methods for you. Click and hold, if you want to click on something and after that hold it for few seconds. Double click, drag and drop, you can perform drag and drop operation as well. If you want to drag one file from one location and drop it to some another location. You can use get class to get the class of an object, the key down, so you can perform the key down operation as well, like this, key down and key up. The key up and key down operations you can perform also. So again guys, you have to explore each and everything. This is a basic thing with the help of which you can perform, but there are a lot of things in this. That is why I am saying you guys again and again to explore this, to just perform as much perform this on as many as things you can, with the help of which you will be able to get a lot and lot about this. And if you are going to face any difficulty out there, then you can always comment, always call me, or even email us. So I will going to provide my email in this video's description as well. So if you are facing any problem till now in all the sections, not in this one only but in all the sections, you can just email us, you can write in comments, you can just let us know that how the things are going and the specific sections if you want us to teach you, so we can do that as well. So that's it in this video guys. I hope that was easy. It's nothing guys, it's just a practice and a basic thing you have to know about the concept. So don't forget about like the video guys, subscribe the channel and share as much as you can. Thank you so much guys.